Precision viticulture in the Margaret River wine region helps reduce vineyards' variability. The high degree of variation in soil type and depth presents numerous challenges, especially with irrigation, canopy management, and nutrition. Remote sensing techniques provide a descriptive of grapevine size, shape, and vigor, allows assessments of the variability within the vineyard. Airborne digital multispectral imagery has been used with yield maps as a basis for selective harvesting. Commonly used indices are NDVI and plant cell density. EM38 sensor is the more traditional methods of soil inspection. Grapevines and leaves are the identifiable feature where DMSI detects the plant cell size between 10 to 100 micrometers. Margaret River wine region has an observable area that extends over 50 square kilometres. Grapevines are perennial plants with two main production phases, flowering and veracium. Imagery should be done at these stages to maximise productivity.